Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to reveal my secret. My secret why I don't have black armpits. My secret why I don't have scars on my skin. My secret of why I have no bad breath. Alright, anyway guys, I have a lot of secrets. If you are watching my video right now and you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Just click the button down below and hit the notification bell so that you will notified what is the next video. Alright, so this one is very interesting anyway. I'm just thinking if I could reveal my secret or not, but you are very lucky. Okay, just use this just few seconds. Okay, anyway guys, I've been using this thing for almost 30 years. Yeah, when I was young guys, my mom told me that yeah, it's very good. This thing is very good to our health, but you have to use a little bit. Okay, my grandma, when she was still alive, she taught me a lot of things about this thing, guys. This one is very natural, and also she used this in a spiritual healing. My grandma was very good about spiritual healing when she was alive. She used Tawas. Okay, now you have idea. You know, Tawas is in Tagalog name of Alum. Alum is it's the English name, and Tawas is the Tagalog name. So here it is. So this is my secret, guys. Do you know, guys? I think this is the biggest Alum, let's say Tawas, that I have ever had. Use this one to clean my feet too. When you wear shoes, right, for a long time, we cannot avoid the smell from the shoes, right? Stink smell or something like, hey, the sweat like already dried in your feet, you know, like socks smell so bad, right? You know, guys, this Tawas works like magic. When I have bad smell, like for example, I wear shoes like for the whole day, you know what? I just put this one, okay? Or maybe just a little bit, or maybe you just, if you have big towels like this, you just leave in the water in 2 minutes, leave it in 2 minutes, and then that's it, it's enough. That water, guys, okay, in the basin, put the water in the basin for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. And I want to tell you, your feet will feel good, and it will feel relaxed. And not only that, the smell also gone. Yeah, this is my secret. Since I was young, I've been using Tawas for many years already. And guys, do you know what? This one, when I had like rashes, again, I put Tawas in my water, okay, in the bucket of water. Just leave a little bit, okay, just put just a little bit, and then I took a bath with that, and then my allergy gone. And do you know what, guys? The Alum has a lot of benefits. Yeah, a lot of benefits, guys. If you do research, you will know a lot of things about this, but you have to use in a small amount. Don't use a lot, okay? A small amount, and just leave in a few seconds, okay? Don't overuse or you put a lot. No. Tawas, guys, has antibacterial properties. This one can kill the bacteria too. And long time ago, I remembered they used this to clean the water because it will absorb all the dirt. Not sure, but yeah, they use this one to clean the water, the drainage or the canals. They use this one. Right, this is Tawas, guys. It's amazing, and Tawas is really great, and yeah, it saves me a lot of money by using this one. Really, I don't have to spend a lot of money in cosmetics, okay? And also, yeah, I just use this one, Tawas. Okay, I'll tell you more benefits of this. Okay guys, now look closer. This is Alum. I will tell you the benefits of this. An alum or Tawas is a type of chemical compound, usually a hydrated double sulfate salt of aluminium with general alum is safe. Sometimes look at stone, right? It looks like stone. This one, guys, is safe and effective natural deodorant. Yeah, very cheap, guys. Alum is very good for treating bad breath. It has antiseptic properties that help to fight against tooth decay and prevent gum disease. This one also can prevent gum disease. The alum, okay, scientific name is potassium aluminium sulfate. Okay, potassium aluminium sulfate, and it's originate in Europe. It's colorless white, and the shape's irregular, crystalline solid. The taste little bit sweet, bitter taste. Sometimes that's like bitter, little sweet, bitter taste in your mouth. Okay, just like what I've said, just put a little bit, just put just seconds and gargle your mouth less than 2 seconds or 5 seconds. That's enough. You don't have to put it or gargle a long time. You can use brush after you gargle your mouth with this, because this one, it has antibacterial effect. It will clean your mouth. It will have a maximum fresh breath. If you use this one first, just add in your water and then brush your teeth. The health benefits of this, guys, a lot. It's really amazing. Okay, the alum, guys, it's good for body odor, prevents premature aging, and this one is also used for lice treatment. If you have a lot of kuto, or we call lice, this one is also very good. And if you have pimples, this one is also very good. Just dissolve a little bit in the water and then use the cotton and put on your pimples. I want to tell you, your pimples will diminish. And also good for wrinkles. If you think that your skin like have wrinkles, this one, it can help a lot. Yeah. Also, just like what I've said, it's also used for water purification. Tawas, it's also good for athlete's foot, or for cracked heels, for mouthwash, and conquer sores. How to use alum, okay? How to use alum to get rid pimples. Okay, after you clean your face, you have to wet your alum in running water, then gently over the skin. You can also use that way, guys. You can put this one in the running water, and you can rub this one on your skin, okay? And allow it to sit on your skin for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, wash your face again, okay? You can wash your face or we call it, just wash with water, okay? Don't use soap or anything else. Just water. Rinse it well, okay, with running water. You have to do it every day, guys. You have to do it every day before bed till your pimples gone. You know, Alum has a lot of benefits. I told you how to use it as a mouthwash. Okay, when you want to clean your mouth, you have to gargle your mouth with Tawas. Okay, with Tawas, just put a little bit and then that's it. And then just few seconds in your mouth, gargle it, and you will feel bitter taste. And then, okay, and you have to spit out, and then you can brush your teeth afterwards. Just like what I've said, guys, don't overuse this one. Don't leave like for 30 seconds like that, or for 1 minute. It's a long time. Just 10 seconds, okay? Less than 10 seconds, or not more than 10 seconds. All right, guys? So prevention is better than cure. Always remember that. Prevention is better than cure. So this is what, just like what I've said, this is my secret. I've been using this. I've been using Tawas since I was little girl. My grandma taught me how to use this. It's amazing. Tawas. You know, this one they add in many cosmetics now. When you look at the ingredients of many cosmetics, you'll see this Alum. What is the scientific name again? The scientific name of this is potassium aluminum sulfate. Okay, when you look at the ingredients of the cosmetics or toothpaste or shampoo, you know, shampoo anti-head lice, they put this one, potassium aluminum sulfate. Okay, it's a mineral, guys. It's mineral, it's natural. So okay, guys, see you next video. Bye for now.